Hello everybody, Damian Tucker here. You know me as Trimoto Man on YouTube. We got the 500 out today and the 2018 KX450F. So if you follow the videos, this used to be a BBC. We fully converted it to a DT. We used some of the metal remaining from the BBC stuff just to kind of show how they could actually do it better. This one built from scratch. So a little disclaimer, I can't build you a three-wheeler, don't ask me. These are personal for prototyping purposes. We're gonna do a newer Kawasaki parts list that's gonna be available. We're gonna have the 54mm clamps. We're gonna have swing arms, subframes, everything you're gonna need. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. We're gonna take these for a spin and see how they do. We got 18s on the back of this. We got 20s on the back of this one. They got fresh suspension. The 500 is not fun to kick over. It shakes violently, so it'll be fun, but it beats you up a little bit. This one is going to be really nice. I'm still a fan of the 450, but let's see how they do. First impressions, this kind of is not enough room for this thing. It was loading up somewhat. I didn't rejet it for this elevation. We're at 5,000. It's normally at 2,000. I'm just test riding it at this elevation, but this thing doesn't shake as bad as my old 480, but it also doesn't hit as hard as my old 480. The power band on this is super manageable from top to bottom. I'm really impressed with it. It's got the +4 swing arm, but it only picks the front up when you want, and it still slides nice. This thing rides like a factory three-wheeler, like if they kept making them. I'm super happy about this one. It's too bad we can't share this one with the public, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. So this one is a success. We're gonna try the 2018 KX450F. We just put a new piston and ring cylinder on that one, so we're taking it a little bit easy. It's not gonna wear me out like that two-stroke, but if you can handle that 500, it's a lot of fun. We're gonna have to put a latch on the seat because it shakes itself off on the back. Well, this thing has really good handling. We clearanced the tank, we post molded it, so heated it up, remolded it. Now you're actually able to oversteer with it, so then you got to get the rear end to catch up with you. If you're letting off and oversteer, you can kind of catch the back a little bit, but with the oversteering, you're able to slide the quarters when you're in it. So it's really good. I'm super happy with it. My one complaint on this one is maybe the rear end's a little bit too stiff. Could use just a little cushion. Some of our other ones, we purposely make them stiffer. It all depends on the setup. This is the first test run, so I'd say this one is a success also. Really happy with the CP piston, and I like the Athena cylinders with the bigger water jugs. So, super stoked, super happy. Thanks for following. So, in all reality, people don't really need a 50, 60 horsepower plus three-wheeler. That's why the general consumer thing is over. We will be providing parts for the race community, closed course race use only, kind of like how we're in a closed gravel pit here test driving. All in all, I would take that every day, but that has a load of fun and some nostalgia to it that you just can't get out of the 450. The vibration, the punch, the sound, it's a lot of fun. All in all, 2026 is already starting off with a bang. These are just the first two of my creations.